I was just wondering that, and if the security guards, like, when they take your bag sometimes, if they're wearing gloves. I'm guessing they were wearing gloves.
They were. Yes.
So having seen, heard what you've gone through, it didn't seem that bad of an experience, mostly because there weren't a lot of people in the airport. It actually seems like a kind of a nicer experience because you had space on the airplane. The airport was basically yours. I'm gonna guess now, as more and more people travel and these restrictions are there, like if you tripled or 10 times the number of people in the airport and all of that, do you think it would just be a nightmare? I mean, do you think the airports or airline is equipped to handle a whole bunch of more people, both in Europe and in Mexico? Or does it seem like they're going to either have to give up on the restrictions or they're going to have to limit people?
No, you know what? I think at some point everybody's just going to start ignoring the restrictions, to be honest with you. I think people are getting a little bit burned out about this situation.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that people are becoming a little bit more careless with this. I think employees will still do whatever the government tells you that you must do. Like at the airport, the staff still wearing the masks, etc. But yeah, I think numbers are going to keep increasing. I think that airlines cannot really afford in the long run to have the social distancing with it.
Mm-hmm.
It's just, numbers one, or it's either ignoring the regulations or the restrictions about social distancing, or really increasing the flight rates because they need to compensate somehow, right? They need to, it's a business, they need to make profit. So yeah, I think that people are going to slowly, start stopping caring about wearing a face mask and, washing their hands 30 times a day and, stuff like that. Here in Mexico, it's really challenging because we are very affective. So whenever we see someone, we usually give them a kiss and a hug. So it is so awkward to go and meet someone and be like, hey.